In every woman's life, menstrual health plays a vital role in ensuring well-being. Yet, it's an issue that often goes unnoticed. Ensuring access to hygienic sanitary pads is essential to good health for women and adolescent girls alike. To address this, the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya has initiated the capacity building program under the Science and Technology-Oriented Entrepreneurship program. The program aims to provide awareness on women's health and hygiene and to empower women to handle the technology inputs for the production of sanitary pads on a sustainable manner and also livelihood opportunities. The training program provides women in rural communities with the knowledge and skills to produce hygienic and affordable, eco-friendly, organic sanitary pads. By learning how to operate state-of-the-art machines, participants gain hands-on experience in making sanitary pads. But it doesn't stop there. Our program goes further by teaching business skills, hygiene practices, and sustainability. During the program, hands-on practical sessions were imparted in a stepwise manner, shredding of materials, wood pulp and cotton, grinding, calendaring, etc. till the final product, which had been fed in the UV chamber for sterilization before they are ready for packaging. Hands-on practical sessions guide participants through every step of part production, ensuring they can confidently create and package the product themselves. These sessions also teach important aspects of hygiene, safety, and proper communication skills. Moreover, we empower women to start their own businesses by providing them with essential entrepreneurial skills. The training also emphasizes record keeping and management for future. This training program being held from the 10th to the 19th of February at Toils Maura aims to impart 10 participants from the Khasi Hills, all part of self-help groups and village organizations. The key objectives of this program include creating awareness about health and hygiene in a scientific manner, building capacities on sanitary pad production using technology, developing business plans for sustainable pad making enterprises, encouraging rural women to adopt sanitary pads for better hygiene, and promoting environmental care through sustainable pad usage. The training is designed to ensure all participants acquire essential knowledge and skills from machine operation to maintaining cleanliness and ensuring product quality. By empowering women with the right skills and knowledge, we are not just improving health and hygiene, we are also fostering economic independence and environmental responsibility. The future is bright for these women entrepreneurs.
Hakni training yuk sipun gi jing mentai maka kena dendang la nang la sai lesni la ndal ko training te long la maban yang la ki jong ki ti chat nya tre ya kan kam ni ai ku play ya SCSTE bakai ya rap yang ni bagi ni kam ngin yo ban tre
Di ya kan ni training la sponsor ya ka adaka State Council of Science and Technology jong ka environment halor kan ni training ila sngo bangil yo jin mentoi sibon bha halor kan ni training mentang ila la ban shna kumno bangin shna utau sanitary pads mensuang yu seki products bami na bar menta pak de kan ni ka de kalat ka ba ngi kum kilong keming ngin hala ki jong ki kejat bangin shna uni upat ba dia uni upat pak de ngin ha ban penen kam ya ka po la ka jong ka jela
di ngawan ni ban hygienic training na po kipapha na po block CRT block thì sultanat meninyo ni mo kilome meninyo hygienic training nang banginyo ban bangin penderkap kanya ni dia buat bangin kailang yang cuy di lana meninyo ben kailang yang cuy ru kena bencana kaptam và meninyo penderkap yang kima di bami na kejalala jong ni snahi di sungai padi ni baro kinya thiệt là nhiều product cho cái mà thì persang nang sakoi dia ataparu itu government kenya laplang abang kala kenya laplang yang berketiu yang berketiu.
Together, we can build a healthier and more sustainable future for women across Meghalaya.